What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. So, don't really know what I have planned for today's video. I just thought it's been a little while. So update on my Skyline. Now, got my wheels on. I got my coilovers on. I'm sorry I didn't actually film any videos or anything like that. I kind of just been in like the headspace just to like do things instead of filming them, because filming stuff, it's quite a pain in the ass of a task, but that's beside the point. So I fitted my SlideWorks adjustable rear camber arms, SlideWorks front caster arms. So my camber's pretty pretty how you going at the moment in the back. Like she's pretty slanty boy. It's also at the moment I've made it pretty much Ebisu spec, just because it's going for an alignment and everything very soon, and I've still got to put my extended LCAs in. That'll be a video. Please stay tuned for that one. And yeah, so it's still high at the front, just because I also don't want to smash my plastic lip, just because they're too hard to find. So yeah, don't really have any plans for today's video. I just thought I'd give you an update. I'm actually going to go and wash my car very shortly. I'm just in the kind of the bushy area of where I live. Sorry, had to do that. Yeah, so this is what my car looks like now. So, still looking pretty minty fresh. Sorry if you can't hear me. I got my microphone on up here, but I'm hoping the wind isn't too bad. So, as you can see, she's a little bit Ebisu spec at the back, at the front. Sorry. Back we are tucking like real good, really good fitment. I'm super happy with that, and I don't scrub whatsoever. So the dampener is pretty stiff. So I don't really have a lot of travel whatsoever. Like she's pretty stuck. So let me just say that these HSDs, they're brand new HSDs. I think they're 14 stage dampener or some shit, whatever, but they're fully adjustable, so that's the main thing, so good for that. But yeah, it also, so since it's been backed from the panel beater, all the dents and stuff that were here have been fixed. The pillars are now painted gloss black, which looks really nice. Windows are up to get tinted next, very soon. I also lost my two pairs of, my two GT badges. Not happy about that. So I've got to pay another $100 and get a pair of those, which is really unfortunate. But nothing else has really changed apart from coils all round, front caster arms, rear camber arms. I don't know if you'll be able to see them in there. You can just see a little bit of yellow right there. And then the HSDs are in there too, but you can't see those. So, anyway, I'm gonna go for a drive and I'll pick you up at the car wash. Bye. So, I'm up here at 8 Mile Plains car wash. Never actually been here before. A lot of people apparently from around my area, not really around my area, but in like Brisbane, come here to wash their cars. So, as you saw, just washed the 33. It's now looking nice and shiny. So, looks good. So, thanks to my mate Sam for helping me with the footage of getting the little cinematics going. So, I hope you enjoyed those. Because obviously, I can't film by myself. So, we're going to go now and check out a place called MotorMan Imports, which is an importing place, obviously it sells 90s, mainly Japanese cars. Sam's taking the piss out of me right now. So we're going to go and see what they've got in stock. We're going to go and have a look there, so I'll pick you up when we get there. Anyway, sorry guys, we're down here at MotorMan Imports down here at Slacks Creek. I've always actually wanted to come here and film a video, so I just thought I'd take the time today and actually film one. So first car, as soon as we pull up, is a Mitsubishi 3000 GTO. Currently, yeah, it looks pretty nice. It's on a set of ABS wheels. I don't actually know exactly what model. Oh, there we go. Model T7. 30 grand, 30,000 AUD. Let me have a look at the specs here. Only got 132,000 Ks on it. Focus, you bastard. You can't really see there's so much of a glare. Nah. Anyway, 30 grand, 132,000 Ks if anyone's interested. It's down here at MotorMan in Slacks Creek. Got my beautiful 33 4-door here as well. So I'm going to go inside and have a quick look and see what they've got around. So there's a variety of obviously Taragos and stuff that a lot of people here have. There's a nice 2.5 litre twin turbo Sora here for sale. My camera is there we go, that's better. There we go, much better. So mint condition, pretty mint. Sora, 20 grand, it's probably auto. Oh wow, factory manual, mint, 195,000 Ks, that's better, we can actually see now. 20 grand, factory manual, so this will be a 2.5 litre 1J twin turbo. Pretty nice. Yeah, there are some nice cars up inside here we're going to go and check out. There's a really nice Chaser right there I'm actually going to go look at. Little Caldina, I don't know much about them. They've got their little trucks and stuff here. We'll start it this way and we'll work around the yard. So we'll go and have a look over here. So from what we can see, there isn't a whole lot like out in the, well, I would say this is like the primary yard where they keep most of the showy cars. There was for a little while a couple of JZX 100 Chasers parked out the front here and then like out on the main road out there. So we're just going to continue having a look around. There's a MA70 Supra here. I think that's, correct me if I'm wrong, I might be wrong, but we're going to have a quick look at that. And then there's a couple of Crown wagons, go and have a look at those. I want to look at that Chaser, and there's a really nice Mark IV Supra up inside and some other cool things inside. So I'm going to go and have a look at this Supra real quick, and then yeah, we'll keep looking. Every day you get to see these anymore. Ooh, got a Bride in there, Bride fixed back. Oh, no, it's a reclinable. Recaro. What are these? Set of SSRs. Looks nice. Manual, so I'm not sure what motor's actually in these from factory. It might be a 1J or 2J, I got no idea. It's one thing I don't really know. Nice interior. It's got a G-ready boost gauge. Momo steering wheel. Typical, like, if you can see, real like 90s. Zoom, you bastard. Nope, no good. Real nice, like old school Kenwood head unit. Supra. And then yeah, there's some more. There's a Stager. Here are these VZR Pulsars. Sorry, this vehicle's not for sale. Both of them not for sale. Got the VVL, so variable valve lift. These things go like a shower of shit. Super nice interior, by the looks of it. Factory weather shields. Really cool interior pattern, actually. Was for sale. They go N15 Autech Pulsar. If we can read that. Asking price is 13,000. Kilometers only 82,000. That's pretty low. Very nice little cars though. Very, very quick. Very cool. And then yeah, we're gonna have a look at these Crowns. So I have a quick look at these Crowns. So I'm pretty sure these are factory 2J. I've got another one here. This one looks really quite nice. Not sure what these wheels are, if they're anything special. What do they say? Amistad. No idea. Couldn't tell you. That's really nice inside. Factory automatic, suede interior. Looks really nice. Nice little weather shields. Nice little touch. But super nice family car if you like going fast. We'll go look at that Chaser. That one there. And then we'll go inside and see what's up the top. So this is really quite nice. So it's got aftermarket projector headlights. I've never seen anything like that. It's pretty cool. Oh, it's missing the front badge. No good. So this car looking at 30 grand. Looks like it's got some aftermarket thing. Kind of an ugly Momo steering wheel. Got oil temp and water temp on the dash. Apexy ACVR. Apexy boost gauge. It is factory manual. Drift button there too. So she's ready to go drifting if anyone's interested. Wedge Cerebus crans. Nice. Got a bit of kit on the back and the skirts, but just original front bar. I think that's like a Series 2 front bar. Front man intercooler. Weather shields. Super nice interior. Really quite tidy. And you can tell this is definitely Japanese imported because this Carozia, I'm not sure how you say that, correct me if I'm wrong, that's actually part of Kenwood. So Kenwood had their own little Japanese stereo systems. Got obviously a big catback exhaust. Good fitment all round, really actually quite nice. So let's go up here. Super nice Supra right here. So we'll go and have a quick look at that. Oh, there's a Figaro. Wait for the shutter to change. There's a nice Figaro there. Nice Mark IV Supra. Currently asking price 42,000. Okay, so K's got 202,000 kilometers on it. It's auto 3 litre twin turbo. 42,000. It's a bit steep, but overall, really, really nice condition. very well looked after. Paint looks immaculate. And it's a Series 2, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, the Series 2 come with these markers on the back here. I could be wrong, but that's really nice. Okay, there's a FD. I think there's a Hachi Roku right there. My mate Sam's just looking at a FC at the moment. What do you think, Ronnie?
I think it's a bargain.
Yeah, you interested?
Yeah, 14 grand.
It's vert too.
Yeah, I know.
Not bad, not bad.
Not bad at all.
Oh, the prized possession car. There's two. There was actually a GTR here, but there's a minty S13 vert over there, which we're going to go and have a look at in a second. So yeah, Figaro here, 25 grand. Ooh, Aston Martin. We'll go and have a look at this, and I'll go and look at those S13s. So FD, oh sorry, FC. I think I'm correct.
Buy it right now.
Hey?
You can buy this right now.
Yeah? You ready to take it home? I can't really see much inside because the lighting in here ain't the best, but it is manual. There are gauges and shit on the dash.
13B turbo.
So, nice big wang, if you like your wangs. That's really nice, but this is what I like to see. Instant Gentleman kit, bricks, GTR grille, clear corner markers, CST Hyper 01s with some big boy spacers in there if you can see them. This is not for sale, this is a drift car. 32 GTR seat, Bride fixed back, full cage, over fenders, little roof wing. This is a car that I wanted to look at. This is an all original, immaculate condition S13 in TH1 blue. That's better. Those little vents right on the front of the bar, very hard to find. So this comes with big letter grille, bricks, all straight, immaculate. It is a vert. Not many people were interested in the verts, but this one is really quite nice. If it's open, oh, it is open. Let's have a look. Look at that. This is all pretty much like brand new interior, guys. Like it is real nice. So yeah, factory auto. Still got the original, probably stereo that it come with from Japan. Factory steering wheel. Let's go on the other side and I'll have a look at the cluster. So the best part about CAs is they come with these kind of GTR style seats. Brochure too. Isn't that sick? So Autech is who actually makes these. So it's super nice and tidy. Still got original like stickering and stuff. But overall, real nice and tidy. Still all original. With only 2,698 original kilometers. This car is probably driven from the showroom of wherever it come from, around a little bit, and then got imported to Australia for sale. So I'm going to see if I can have a look at this FD over here, and that's probably going to be where we pull up stumps here. Sam and I might go get some food, but we'll go and see what the plan is. Hey Ronnie.
Absolutely.
100%. So super nice FD here. Probably all original as well. Really nice. Nice interior. Looks real good. We'll go and have a quick look up here, and the seats if anyone's interested. Oh, that's a seat for me. There it is. It's going to go in the Skyline. That'd be sick. But I don't know anything about motors, but I'm going to say it's probably like a 13B. Sam's from New Zealand. He probably knows more about bloody Subarus and stuff. Oh, sorry, Subarus, Jesus Christ. Mazdas than I do. About it. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks like it might be interesting. Probably like a Lotus Elise or something. No idea. So, we've got a hearse. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got to film here at the moment. We're probably going to get some lunch, and then yeah, we'll see where we end up from there. Alright guys, so I'm going to end the video here. I didn't exactly obviously film getting food and stuff, so I just dropped my mate Sam home, and I'm just about to head home. I just pulled into this little, I don't know, like kind of bushy area, because I thought that'd be a nice picture. So maybe it'll be my thumbnail, don't know. I hope you really enjoyed this video, guys. I've always wanted to go to MotorMan Imports and have a look to see what they've actually got in stock at the moment. Obviously there's always new things coming in. Apparently I heard there's a couple of new chasers coming, obviously straight from Japan, but I don't know how long they'll be before they even get here because of the coronavirus bullshit that's going on in the world. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw today, and make sure you also hit subscribe. So thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in the next video, which will be probably soon. As my window on my actual YouTube banner says, new videos weekly. That's a crock of shit. Hasn't happened like that for a while. So anyway, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you soon.